So we have a 2-year technical program. It's designed to give kids the foundation of knowledge and skills to pursue a variety of different careers in the exercise science field. We cover topics ranging from sports performance to care and management of injuries. We deal with anatomy and physiology. A lot of those topics that just kind of fit underneath the umbrella of exercise science and sports medicine.
I've learned different techniques to prevent injuries. I have learned how to measure for range of motion and how to tape ankles when an injury occurs.
We've been fortunate to get some new technology for sports performance testing, as well as some isokinetic and isometric testing devices. So we've been able to do some more things related to sports science and building exercise programs off of actual testing data.
My favorite part of the ESSR program is probably just the environment that it creates. Everybody in the classroom, you get really close because you're spending so much time with each other every single day. And you kind of just learn about each other and just become a family really quick, and it's an amazing environment.
You don't need any specialized skills to come into the program. Just having a genuine interest in exercise science, sports medicine, physical therapy, those kind of related career fields is probably the main thing.
I feel like this program really prepares me for life after high school because it helps teach me the basics and more on, I want to become a physical therapist, so it helps me prepare by teaching me the things that I'm going to need to know. So it'll help me in college by teaching me the basics so then they can build off of that.
We have kids that have pursued careers in physical therapy, occupational therapy, physician assisting, nursing, teaching, and then the other side, kind of personal training, strength and conditioning. We have several graduates finishing up master's programs now in exercise physiology. We have a few teaching at the collegiate level now. That's pretty cool to see. And then, we've got kids working in cardiac rehab. Really, the wide spectrum that exercise science kind of covers, we've started to have graduates in all those different career fields.